I want to share with you a concept called AdBlend. It's basically the concept of generating income without selling, but by just offering education to your prospects or leads. And the most common one you will see is how a marketer uses articles for this method. They'll have a link at the end of the article to promote a product related to the content of the article. Well, it's a good approach, but the value is not great enough as article is only between 500 to 1000 words. So, to improve this method, use a free ebook or report instead. Write an ebook and give it away to make money online. This can be done because once someone reads your ebook, they have shown interest and get themselves involved in the topic. No product, no problem. Go to ClickBank and join. From there, you'll be able to promote thousands of products as an affiliate and collect commission as much as 70% per sale. So just think, your focus is about giving away free content to make money online. Look, would it be easier to sell an ebook to make money online, or simply by just giving away for free? Yep, giving it away should be a piece of cake. 2 more ideas to increase your income. The first one, add your affiliate link inside the ebook itself. This way, regardless of when they are reading it, there's still a possibility for you to make some nice commissions from your affiliate links inside. On top of that, if they start sharing the ebook because it's free, your promotions are all still intact. And because it's an ebook with many pages, you can promote multiple products in it. If you're just using an article, I think the numbers of promotions are quite limited and a 500 to 1000 words article. The second method, create more than one ebook. Now, this is a no-brainer. If one ebook is working well for you to make money online, the more you can give out, the likelihood you're going to make more. But you have a small problem. You do not have enough prospects or leads. For instance, if you have 5 ebooks and you're giving a copy to 1000 subscribers of your mailing list, you will need 5000 subscribers. Yes, you can do that way, but here's another trick which will make you spend much less time and increase your profit too. Just create multiple topics of ebooks to the same list of subscribers. Here's how it works. Let's say you focus on building a list of subscribers who are interested to learn about affiliate marketing. You can be creating multiple ebooks on these topics: search engine optimization, and promote ClickBank search engine optimization products inside the ebook. Copywriting, and promote ClickBank's copywriting products inside the ebook. Landing page design, and promote website software products inside the ebook, and so on. This way, you will just need to recycle your same mailing list. And they are happy with you because you continue to give them value from your free ebooks. The more responsive is your list of prospects, the higher your sales conversion is going to be. It's that simple. Well, what I've shared with you is kind of quote-unquote old school. Let me share with you another AdBlend trick which we have been using profitably under stealth mode. We create a marketing research software. It's an awesome piece of tool that allows the users to research for proven products to promote from ClickBank in the e-business category. Here's how it looks like. They choose how competitive or profitable they want it to be. With a click of a button, the software shows them the research products in just seconds. This way, it saves them time to find proven to convert products to promote on the internet. Here's the cool part. When they click on the link to check out the products that they wish to promote, they'll be using our affiliate link. And if they decided to buy the products for their own use, I will be making commissions. Actually, that's not the coolest part. The coolest part is probably how AdBlend technique is being executed. They don't even know I'm being rewarded with affiliate commission on autopilot. If you'd like to have this software for free, I got good news for you. Get ready for CB Passive Income 3.0 because I'll be creating the ebooks with your affiliate links inside. And of course, you will get to use our proprietary AdBlend software too. Basically, you're going to be able to clone my business. This is going to be the system for you to finally make money on autopilot once it starts running for you. See you inside soon.